Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can humanize your AI text for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website, humanizeai.pro, and then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account, and then you can insert your text here. Okay, and I have already created an article with ChatGPT, and I'm going to humanize the AI text. Okay, I'm going to paste it, and then we can click on Humanize AI. Okay, and then just wait, guys. And it needs approximately 2 minutes, and you just need to wait. Okay, and now my text is ready, and then you can scroll down until you find this copy button, and then you can copy it and paste it on your document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to humanize AI text for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!